This report delves into the present-day methods, tools, and resources used to optimize the usability and efficiency of technical manuals. Each source outlines the landscape of technical manuals with technical writers, aiming to optimize the best recommendations for this video. The research discovered 4 major methods present in technical writing with technical manuals: single sourcing, authorial collaboration, content expansion, and primary authoring. Throughout the remainder of the video, each one will be discussed at length, and certain tools that assigned with each method will also be addressed, discovering which ones work best with writing technical manuals. Each of these methods and tools will also be measured against usability and efficiency in the technical manual workflow and for end users. Single sourcing embraces the repetition of language by storing one set of content and then reproducing it into different deliverables. Also, in connection with technical manuals, the texts are able to be standardized and repeated in congruence with the company's usage guide and across the company's platforms. Single sourcing also helps with the agile work method, working in sprinting and for document reproduction. Altogether, single sourcing increases standardization, decreases cost, increases the usability for the end user, while also decreasing the workflow speed for each deliverable. As seen by the graph, single sourcing is becoming a prominent feature in technical writing. Authorial collaboration works with co-technical writers and also subject matter experts to discuss the themes and goals of the project. By communicating with other writers, terminology is decided upon from the start, decreasing miscommunication towards the end of the project. Also, by knowing what the product is from the beginning, the writer will be able to form the content during the writing process to best fit the end user. Technical writers use primary authoring tools to draft and edit the technical manuals before going to a single sourcing content management system. As seen from the graph, Microsoft Word and Adobe FrameMaker are both prevalent applications used by technical writers to write technical manuals as a primary authoring tool. This usually is the first step in the workflow, so getting a clean slate of ideas and perspectives in a great application works well in this methodology. Content expansion resides as another emergent method in writing technical manuals. As technology increases within the world around us, different forms of media become available to share technical material through. This situation provides a means for technical manuals to represent themselves through instructional videos, chatbots, and graphics, as well as many other technologies. As methods for technical writing were just discussed, each method have tools that also help to accomplish its impact in the workplace. Single sourcing and primary authoring Both have applications that also accomplish authorial collaboration in their processes. Single sourcing's main applications came across as DITA and Madcap Flare, while primary authoring had Microsoft Word and Adobe FrameMaker as its leaders. DITA is a content system that was created by IBM and works well with XML, while Madcap Flare also organizes modular writing into topic authoring sections, and also works with HTML and PDFs. Both Microsoft Word and Adobe FrameMaker offer collaboration features and allow editing and templates for the user. Each method and tool were measured against efficiency and usability. Efficiency targets technical writers who want a streamlined version to create the technical manuals in the most consistent workflow. Usability also helps end users read and reach the content that they best need fitted for their context. Although DITA helps technical writers gain efficiency in their workflow, the usability for technical writers to use DITA is decreased since it has a steep learning curve to the program, while Madcap Flare offers an easy learning curve and also produces usability and efficiency through single sourcing. Microsoft Word and Adobe FrameMaker both offer usability and efficiency in their applications. Based off of the research content, recommendations were made for the best methodology, tools, and resources for technical writers that are aiming to write technical manuals. To accomplish the recommendations for the best methodology, one should implement single sourcing to address technical manual efficiency and consistency, create authorial collaboration with both subject matter experts and technical writers, and write manuals with primary authoring tools. To accomplish the recommendations for the best tools, one should address single sourcing through methodology with Madcap Flare, while also integrating Microsoft Word into writing workflows. Lastly, the best recommendations for the best resources for technical writers that are aiming to write technical manuals are becoming a member of the Society for Technical Communicators, while also reading articles through TechWorld and other professional publications. These publications offered webinars on usability and technical writing that will increase one's background on each of these aspects. These resources increase one's professional background in an accessible way. Overall, these recommended methodologies and tools will increase efficiency and usability in technical manuals across the workspace.